In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Shopify subscription and close your Shopify store. Whether you're wrapping up an online store journey or simply exploring new ventures, it's important to know how to properly end your Shopify subscription. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure a smooth and complete cancellation process. First, you'll need to access your store's admin page. Go to your preferred web browser and log into your Shopify account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Store or Home section. This will be your main dashboard where you can access different settings and features related to your store's operations and details. Next, you want to head over to the Settings area. You'll find this option usually located at the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Clicking on it will lead you to a page that contains a variety of options managing different aspects of your account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as understanding these components can be very helpful, not just for closing your store, but also for managing it more effectively while it's still operational. Once you're in the settings, identify and click on the Plan section. This is a crucial step because it leads to where you can view your subscription details. In this section, you can see information about your current plan, billing frequency, and the features that come with your subscription. It's important to review these details to ensure that you're aware of what you'll be discontinuing. Now, if your store is currently on a trial plan, you'll see an option to cancel trial. Similarly, if you've been on a paid plan, the option will display as cancel plan. Click on this option. Shopify will typically guide you through a confirmation process, during which they might ask for feedback or offer alternative options to adjust your plan. The platform often does this to address any issues you might be facing that are prompting you to cancel, such as technical troubles or business challenges. Take a moment to carefully indicate your reason, ensuring that Shopify understands why you are leaving, as it helps them improve their service in the future. Finally, complete any final prompts that Shopify provides to confirm your cancellation. Ensure that you have saved or exported any information or data you might need from your store before it becomes inaccessible. During this process, make sure to also cancel any third-party apps or services related to your Shopify store separately, as these will not automatically be cancelled when you cancel your Shopify plan. And there you have it, you've successfully cancelled your Shopify subscription and closed your store. Remember, you can reopen your store at any time if you choose to return. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you with your Shopify journey.